This is for the Java code. And my explanation is 10 1 open and close parenthesis, 7 2 open and close parenthesis, 19 third in open and close parenthesis. Ito po ay ipapares na lang at ang equal niya ay 45. For the first is price equals 7. Max 2 stocks. 45 divide 7 equals 6 pero max 2 lang pwede. 2 greater than 2x 7 equals 14. Ang remaining niya po ay equal 31. And for another price equals 10. Max 1 stock. 31 divided 10 equals 3. Pero max 1 lang. 1 greater than 10. Ang remaining niya po ay equals 21. And for the last price equal 19. Max 3 stock. 21 divided 19 equals 1. 1 greater than 19. Ang remaining niya po ay equals 2. 2 plus 1 equals 4. So, ang output niya ay equals 4.